Windfall, wonderful audience. We run, we win. Let me turn this light off so you can see. Oh, I painted the bathroom today. Oh, I painted the bathroom today. Well, at least one wall, partial of a wall. Rust-Oleum, metallic, gold harvest. Pretty much that's what it was called. It's a real fun, it was something else. It took 2 coats just to make it look normal. And so it's a high-end paint. So the bathroom now has white and gold and brown in it. And so, I mean, it's paint, y'all. Don't be rude. No, I'm kidding. Nothing's gonna happen to us anyway. I'll be done. Hey, he put gold on this thing. Yeah, I'd put real gold on it if the Lord told me to. Praise the Lord. Jesus is alive. My fingers work. Yay! Be thankful. Be happy. Enjoy life. And that's pretty much all I have to say. I got to pay attention to when I play this video game because, I mean, I don't want to be here this time 2020, 2000 next year. 2000 next year. I don't want to be here 2000 next year. You know, still playing this same game. I mean, there's like 30 games on this thing. I am like missing those things. I'm not hitting them. But I have to step up my gaming thing. I mean, who wants to watch someone lose a video game over and over and over again? But yeah, it's fun to paint the bathroom. The bathroom's been painted twice already. Well, I mean, the part that was painted was only painted one time. I think the house is, yeah, it's been painted several once, at least once. Well, maybe at least, yeah, at least once it's been painted once because it seemed to originally have a blue type color to it, and then it was brown. But anyways, God's good. Life is wonderful. That's pretty much it. So they just watched me play this video game. What in the world? Praise the Lord! Maybe that's a sign. No, that's not a sign that I should have been talking. So don't even do that. But anyways, God's good. Life is wonderful. March is almost over. So, you know. I guess if I bothered to, I could probably memorize this. You know, where all the evil people come from. You know, maybe I could actually memorize where it came from, but I shouldn't have, my character shouldn't have died there. I better just keep shooting. How did that happen? Oh, you just had to pay attention. Well, anyways, thanks Lord for a good life. It's so something how slow this dude's moving. What's he doing at the bottom? He's not even moving. Oh, he trying to no creature, you ain't gonna trick me. Look at what's he doing at the bottom all this time. It seems to me you need to stay away from the laser, at least for the first couple levels. That's what it seemed like. You know, it seems like, hey, I don't recall getting one. But I mean, it's like, oh, they're shooting at me now. I do enjoy these older video games. It's actually pretty fun. It's something, if you analyze how much the video games cost, I don't think they were overly expensive, but I think they were about $50. So I don't think the prices, well, the love of money is the root of all evil. I actually do think the video game prices have increased now that I think about it, because I think they used to be 50 something, like $50. I think they used to be $50. So Nintendo's games, most of them haven't gone up. But the other ones really do seem to be like, you know, they really actually seem to be, it's like $79, $89 for a video game. So it's interesting too, considering how often the games come out, and you know how the games do some of the games make you pay for stuff now. So they're making a whole bunch of money, they're making a whole bunch of money on people. So it's really interesting how video game prices have gone up, but there's more people buying video games now than others. So that is a little odd that video game prices have gone up. But if you love money, then you'll come up, because I think now you can buy things to add on the games, and you pay $79 for a game, and then the next thing you know, you done paid $20 for an add-on, then $20 for an add-on, then $20 for you done broke $100 just for a video game. So it was kind of interesting how fun these older games are, that you can keep coming back to, years from now. Years from now, I played these years ago when I was in elementary school, and it's like you can come back and it's still a good playable game, which hasn't been the case with some of the newer games. I can't say all of them, but some of the newer games don't seem to have replayability, because depends on the point, whatever. I think a lot of sports games are like that, because they keep throwing out a year, but then the next year you get the next game, so they're just pretty much making money off the title. But it is interesting. Am I gonna warp? I'm not gonna warp. There's a thing on the internet that tell you how to warp in each level, how you have to get, I think I need to shoot a little bit more. Okay. I'm trying to time this so that I can lose one, I got it. I keep hearing that sound, but I don't know what that means. It means you achieve some type of goal. But yeah, so it seems to be that it's just a love of money. That's the root of all evil. Why these games are costing so much. Because now that I think about it, $50 when I was a kid, real like year, when I was a kid playing these games, $50 years ago, and then it's like the Nintendo games are still like $59. So in a sense, it's like, why is it $59, $69, $79? But I was saying more people are actually buying video games now than was back then, because you hear about how many, like when Nintendo started, in the 80s or whatever, there was just only so many people who were buying video games. Not everybody had a video game, not everyone had a video game. Oh! So it is interesting to see how the prices have gone up in video games. So, but remember, love money is the root of all evil. So, but the playability of the game, you can come back and play it again and again and again. I've noticed that with a lot. Well, that's the end of this vlog. God bless you. Remember, Jesus is Lord. And remember, live, move, be.